ole clear tu te in savain chi bai le ve kule tun tum kan video chuanin tun thla April kumsang ni le somni pakhata Fisheries Department hnuaia Upper Division Clerk UDC exam na paper 1 le paper 2 kan en ho dona tun video bi ka hian paper 1 kan en ho anga paper 1 a hian section A le section B awma section A hian mark som nga puwa section B hian mark som sari panga ti chuanin full mark zale som ni panga ani ti chuanin section A hi descriptive kan tiang chi khania precis writing le essay zia tur oma mark som nga puwa ti chuanin section B ero hi chu grammar and composition grammar lampang kha ani ti chuanin question han enila masabera hian pakhatna hianin prepare a précis of the following not exceeding 1/3 of the words tinia précis writing ania précis writing a hian kan hria tur chu précis writing a kan hria tur pakhatna chuanin a title suitable title hi zia nge turania question a hian suitable title ziak turamin tilo pon suitable title hi zia turani tichuan pahnina hianin awards essay aron peka kha passage aron peka kha awards ka kan chiaranga khami total words atanga 1/3 ani turani omzia chu khami passage award kha words zathum loni ta se prisia kan zia tur word chu by 3 to 100 words vel kan ziak donani 100 words vel ani donani tichuanin 100 words ang khan kan ziak don ni chu example ania eta hen 1/3 aron tilo poni se précis writing ani reng chuanin 1/3 of passage kha award za turani chon reng turani mark som ni panga apua question pahnina write an essay about 500 words 500 words a limit word limit hi turani a on any one of the given topics mark som ni panga puwa tichuanin heng pathum housing a hian kan du ber pakhati kan ziak tonani kha hria turani tichuanin words 500 words te 300 words te khami kha limit khom thina awsam bera chuanin limit word kan chiar don chuanin ti hian kan paper sheets khalo ni ta sela ti hian kan ziak ta a khami a khanin awang zawng hian kan chiaranga kan word zat kha entinan word kha tlar khata hianin word som zelo ni ta se word zanga kan zia don chuanin somin divide tanga somnga tlar somnga vel kha hemi tlar somnga vel hi kan zia chuanin word zanga vel alo ni don ani kha avai word chiar lawa osam taka atlang pui word zanga vel question a hian about atia chuwang chuanin zali somkwa poni thaya tinglo hret thaya tin apel hret thei boka zanga som vel te poni thaya zali somkwa le zanga som khami range vel zanga range vel kha apoi don lawani kha section A ni sela section B en leila section B hian mark som sari panga apua MCQ kan tiang chi kha ani donani avai hianin MCQ multiple choice question ani donani question number 1 atang 8 fill in the blanks with appropriate preposition given below each sentence tinia number 1 hianin the attitude of the fanatics is always prejudicial thus other religion tini heta hian fanatic ti hi kan thalo mai theya fanatic omzia chu extremist emo devotee te pon yang chu tin addict te pon yang chu fanatic ania prejudicial ti hi kan thalo mai theya damaging emo dangerous harmful kan tiang chi kha ani ti chuanin one answer chu true ani option C those found remiss thus duty will not be pardoned tinia in ti turani D. 3. His lecture was accompanied dash subtle analysis of concept tinia 3 to be with ani. Question number 4. After all, hard work has come to tell dash your health tinia. Answer to D upon. Minority aspiration cannot forever be kept in check dash the gun tinia. 5. Answer C with ani. Anyone who comes in contact with him is enamored dash his charismatic personality. Eta hian enamored thi omzia kan hriat lo takin enamored to in love with emo fascinated by tiang chi kha ani enchanted by tiang chi te tin charismatic kan ti hianin charismatic kan ti chuan fascinating emo full of character strong character ang chi kha ani strong character te tin full of character full of personality kan tiang chi kha ani ichuanin 6 answer to A ani of enamored of his charismatic personality ti turani. 7. Nobody likes anyone to intrude dash his privacy. Intrude kan ti chuanin omzia to encroach emo trespass infringe tiang chi kha ani ya ti chuanin answer to 7 answer to A ani on intrude on his privacy. 8. Those abstemious kan ti chuanin omzia to moderate emo sober dash habits are known to live long tinia. Answer to 8 answer to B in ani. Question number 9 to 14. Complete the sentence using the correct form of verb from the alternative given tinia. By tomorrow afternoon the plane dash for Moscow. Answer he D will have taken off. 10. I saw 2 robbers who dash near the well were prowling B. 11. They dash this property for the last 20 years tinia. 11 to B ani have owned. Heta hianin have been owning ti hi om ve khop maya ma se hemia hian since ti om se chu this property since the last 20 years ti ni se they have been owning ti turani for ani wang hianin have owned kan ti tani kha kha share san turani. Question number 12. Buses dash on this road every hour. D run. After the guest dash we did the washing. Heta hianin left le had left ti hi adik thai ve ve mai ro chu keima bi ga chuan left hei mi hi adik katini. 14. She dash as the principal of that school for 5 years next month tinia. 14 answer he C will have been working ti turani. Question number 15 to 19. Out of the 4 alternatives given after each sentence, select one which best express the same sentence in passive and active voice. Passive kha active voice in kan letanga active kha passive in kan let zel doni tiang khan. 15 and then her face was bowed tinia. Her face was bowed ti chu passive voice ania. Passive voice ania. answer tur chu active voice ani don ni ti chuanin active voice answer 15 chu D ani. Then see about her face. 16 don't subject the animal to cruelty ti ni a. 16 a hianin hemi hi active voice ani. Active voice ani a. Passive voice ani don ni kan le tur hi. Ti chuanin 16 answer chu B. The animals should not be subjected to cruelty. 17. The lightning caused a serious forest fire and damaged many nearby houses. He active voice thau ani a passive voice in kan let dona. 17 he C. A serious forest fire was caused by lightning and many nearby houses were destroyed. He answer ani. The students were laughing at the old man. Tini a. He active voice. Chuanin passive voice turania nga. B. The old man was being laughed at by the students. 18 B ani. 19 a hianin you should not look down upon the poor. Tini a. Po hi active voice thau ani a. Passive voice akan thlak chuanin answer 19 chu A. The poor should not be looked down upon. Ti turani. Question number 20 to 25 in karhe en le taila. Identify the parts of speech of its underlined words. Underlined words hawa hian eng parts of speech nge anni ti kha kan en don ni. Let us move on. Move hi verb ania. Verb shall fia tu kami khachu at verb ani maya. Chu wang chuanin 20A. 21 a cross child is not like. Child hi noun ania. Cross kan ti chuanin noun shall fia tu kami chu khachu chu adjective ani. Question 22. It weighs about a pound. Tinia. Weight hi verb ania kan tria. About hi preposition. Preposition a hoi dewa amero chu hemi b ka hi chuanin verb shall fia tu angin at verb angin akalani. Chuanin D ani donani. Nathan said to David, "Thou art the man." Thou kan ti chuanin trong upania you ti na ni maya. You kan ti chuanin pronoun ani. Between you and me, I do not believe him. Ti nia. Me hi pronoun thau ani. Chu D. I recognize your voice at once. Voice chu noun ani chu A. Question number 22 to 23. Choose the exact meaning of the idiom or phrase. Idiom and phrase exact meaning hakan choose down ani. 26. To wrangle over an ass's shadow. Wrangle kan ti chuanin argument emo ani lo pon dispute emo ani lo pon quarrel ti te fight ti te heng ho hi wrangle ania ti chuanin D. To quarrel over trifle heni. 27. Show a clean pair of heel. Tinia. Show a clean pair of heel. 27. To C. Ran away. It stands to reason. He. Answer to D. Is obvious or logical. Tini. Answer. 29. Made of a clean breast of. Tinia. To made a clean breast of. 29. To answer A. Confess without reserve. Tini. Question 30. Yeoman service. Yeoman service to efficient or useful help in need. Tread on someone's toes. Tini A. To C. Offend someone by encroaching on their area of responsibility. Encroaching kan ti chuanin trespass kan tiang chi kha trespass kan tiang chi kha ani intrude kan tiang chi te kan tiang chi kha encroaching chu ani chuanin teeth on edge irritate ti na ni a moot point moot kan ti chuanin debatable arguably ti te tin arguably ti lawa khanin open to discuss ti te open to discuss tiang chi debatable ang chi kha chiang lawang soina nia eta hianin question b emo d emo hi ani thei ve ve anga amaro chu superficial point ti hi adik zok tura kangai. Question 34 to 40 hianin out of the given alternative choose the one which can be substituted for the given words or sentence tin ya chuanin 34 hian not to be moved by entreaty kan ti chuanin appeal emo petition request emo ti na ani a ti chuanin not to be moved by entreaty kan ti chuanin c inexorable ani. 35 one for whom the whole world is one's home, a cosmopolitan. 36 a cluster of houses in a village, hamlet. B colony le hamlet hi dik ve ve thein mero chu colony ai hianin hamlet hi dik zo kani dictionary a khan lo enula. 37 a written attack using humor to provoke contempt tinia contempt kan ti chuanin scorn emo disrespect emo disparagement tiang chi te ani provoke kan ti chuanin arouse kan tiang chi te tin produce ka tiang chi te kha ani induce kan tiang chi te ti chuanin na answer chu lampoon ani. Question 38 a funeral bell nail one who flaunts newly acquired wealth. Flaunts kan ti chuanin show off tiang chi te tin draw attention to tiang chi kha ani ya answer to parvenu. 40 a speech made to oneself to be soliloquy te pontia soliloquy ti turani. Chuanin question number 41 to 45 ahian choose the word which is the most opposite anitani in the meaning of the given words tiani. 41 Philistine opposite word to culture. Question 42 sobriety opposite to drunkenness. 43 sanguine temper sanguine kan ti chuanin sanguine omzia chu optimistic ti te tin hopeful cheerful tiang chi te ani ti chuanin sanguine temper ti chu despairing nature. Opposite ani lawai hi opposite ani a opposite kan ti chuanin appropriate tin suitable kan tiang chi khania ti chuanin omzia chuanin opposite to inappropriate ani. 45 amendable ani lawa amendable ani a. 45 chu complaint te tin manageable controllable tiang chi kha ani ti chuan answer chu unwilling. Question number 46 to 50. Complete the sentence correctly using one of the alternative given. Tini a. Dichuanin 46 na hianin dash a poet, comma he is also a famous singer. Tini. Eta hianin besides being a poet, he is also a famous singer. Ti tu ni om takania. Beside kan ti chuanin kianga emo bula emo ti na nia tu ti nang khania. Besides as atel hi chuanin besides atel hi chuanin but emo although ti nang khani chuwang chuanin hemi a hian as om sa chu dik dona as om lo wang hianin answer hemi question hi chu adik lova mark hi an compensate tura nga yang. 47. You are asked to copy this letter. Tinia word for words. 47 to A ani. 48. Dash had made an attempt. Tinia 48 B key B all, comma but she had made an attempt. Titurani. 49. He is better than dash in the class. The any other boy in the class. 50. We should be bound by a code of conduct, comma dash question mark ania should be ani wang hianin shouldn't hemia hian we atela wang hianin shouldn't we emo katiang turania aren't we ti te isn't it tiang chi de khani thailawa shouldn't ti chi a hi ani thailo boka shouldn't be we emo ani turani chuwang chuanin hemi question 50 po hi compensate tura nga yang question hi kim lo tlata. Question number 51 to 56. Analyze the following sentence and choose the correct alternative of the underlined words. 51. I do not know why he will not come. Tinia kan underline ho hi and clause nge an ni ti kha noun clause nge ni a adverb clause nge ni a adjective clause kha underline word ho hi kan choose don ani. It's 151 a hianin I do not know why he will not come. Ti ni a noun clause ani why he will not come ti hi. 52. I don't know any man that is present here. That is present here ti hi enclose ngai kan ti chuanin 52 C adjective clause ani. 53. Everybody was pleased to note that she looked cheerful at the party. Tini a that she looked cheerful at the party kan ti chuanin 53 answer to a noun clause ani. 54. I shall not tell you where he lives. Where he lives kan ti chuanin hemi hi noun clause thau ani. Rich as he is, comma he is not happy. Rich as he is ti hi enclose nge kan ti chuanin bina adverb clause ani. 56. Awful is the gloom beneath her. Beneath her ti hi clause atling nge tling lo ko shalawa tling chu tling lo ani keima hria dana chuan chuwang chuanin hemi hi adverb clause nge noun clause adjective clause ti hi hriat har khop maya question hi kim lo zok nge mo katia. Awful is the gloom beneath her hemi a sentence stream shimai chu adjective clause ania. Adjective clause hanti don ila adjective phrase zok sorry hemi hi adjective phrase ani a sentence hi adjective phrase ania amero chu hemi beneath her biki close tur chuanin atling lo mai thaya chuwang chuan hemi po hi hemi question 56 po hi compensate sorry dina none of these ani melani achan chu noun clause adverb clause te adjective clause ani lo wang hian clause ani lo shrim wang khanin none of these ti hi dina hi adik melani. Question 57 to 62. Analyze the following sentence and choose the correct answer from the alternative given. Ta hianin be good and you will be happy. Heta hian hang sentence a hian simple sentence te tin compound te chuanin complex sentence te omani. Chuanin simple, compound le complex sentence kha kan choose don ani. Be good and you will be happy. Heta hianin be good sentence pakhat angania, you will be happy sentence pakhat. Sentence pahnih kha and hian sentence pakhat angin zoma hetiang chi hi compound sentence antini. C. He pleaded ignorance of the law. Hemi hi chu verb pakhat top ania. Chuanin hetiang chi hi simple sentence luang tlam ang chi kha ani. Aw sam zawngin hemi tactic hriat dan hrang hrang hi omma se kan hriat dan theuh kha a tactic a ki kha kan hriat dan anglo theya amairo chu hemi b ka hianin simple sentence ani. 59. It all depends upon the manner of your doing it. Tinia. Hei po hi simple sentence tho ani. Question 60. This is the place where we came. This is the place ka where. Hemi hian ava shil fi ka don nge ni. Ava zom ta where we came kan tiang chi hetiang chi hi complex sentence antini. Where tiang chi te, that, who kan tiang chi te, which tiang chi te. Ka tiang ho kha complex sentence ani. Chuanin b ani. 61. A man who is dead needs no riches. Tinia. A man he who hian ava zom tiang hi complex sentence tho. 61 to b tho ania. 62. He failed in his attempt and never tried again. And sentence pahnih. Hemi hi and hian ava zom tiang hi compound sentence C ani. Question number 63 to 75. Transform the given sentence as directed. Tinia. 63. He was greater than Aurangzeb. Tinia. Negative sentence transform turani. Negative sentence akan transform dona. C. Aurangzeb was not as great as he is. Heta hianin Aurangzeb ay naro puizok atia. Hemi negative sentence ay ro hichonin Aurangzeb hi ani ang naro puilaw. Atini. A question asoy tumin ang renga mero chu negative le positive ang kanin asoy ta. Chuanin hemi hi negative ani. C. 64. He has promised never to touch wine again. Affirmative sentence akan let down kan transform dona. Chuanin 64. He has promised to abstain from wine in future. Tini. 65. He leads a most unhappy life. Exclamatory to makna chinchian ang kanita. Chuanin 65. Answer to D. What unhappy life he leads. Titurani. 66. We could have done nothing without your help. Interrogation to question mark zona ang chika anidona. Ta chuanin B le C hi dictate uve a. What could we have done without your help? Could we have done anything without your help? Zona veve ni tani. Amero chu kaima B ka chuanin C hi ka prefer zo ka chan chu heta hian nothing ti oma. B a hianin we have done without the top tani. C na chuanin could have done anything atini. Chuwang chuanin nothing anything hemi question a hi chuanin anything ada delta. A question zirkan negative le positive a zirkan nothing le anything ka thil thu huna ni ve thei thawa sentence zirkan. Chuwang chuanin hemi hi adik zo ka kangai C na hi. 67. What though the field be lost? Assertive sentence ada turania. 67. Answer to C. It doesn't matter even if the field is lost. The any. 68. It is better to starve than beg. Positive sentence asyam turania. 68. It is better to starve than beg. Positive sentence akan ledona. Tichuanin 68 answer to A. It is not so good to beg as to starve. Turani. 69. Akbar was one of the greatest kings. Comparative. Comparative ani chuanin compare na chuanin then ti hi ni maya. Eta hianin di na. Akbar was greater than most of the kings. Ai hi adik na ani. 70. This newspaper has a bigger circulation than any other morning paper. Superlative sentence a le turani tani. Superlative kan ti chuanin and the most kan tiang chi, best kan tiang chi kha, big ani pon biggest tiang chi ani dona ti chuanin A na. This newspaper has the biggest circulation of all the morning newspaper. Ti turani. 71. You stole the purse. Do you deny it? Complex sentence containing noun clause. Angin kan ledona. Ti chuanin answer to 71 answer to D. Do you deny that you stole the purse? 72. He was hanged. He had committed murder. Complex sentence containing an adverbial clause. Kan let dona, kan transform dona. Tichuanin 72 answer to A. He was hanged as he had committed murder. 73. The paper is good. The binding is very bad. Compound sentence. B. The paper is good, but the binding is very bad. Turani. Question 74. Your father will hear of your success. He will be delighted. Simple sentence using an infinitive aniya. Chuanin answer to 74 answer is C. Your father will be delighted to hear of your success. Ani. 75. He was overpowered. He surrendered. Simple sentence using participle. Hemi hi participle hi paimoa. Chuanin answer to C. Being overpowered. He surrendered. Being hay hi participle na chu ani. Chuanin tikhan paper 1 section A le section B full mark za som hi panga full mark ha tikhan kan enzawa section A khan mark som nga section B hian mark som sari panga ti chuan za som hi panga ani.